Morning, Botai, Chanukah Sameach, and Erev Shabbat Shalom. With regards to lighting Nerot Chanukah on Mosei Shabbat, there's a little bit of a different order between the Bet HaKnesset and the home. In Bet HaKnesset, towards the end of Arvit, before Alin Shabbat, one person lights the Nerot Chanukah for the entire tzibur. And the reason why the poskim said to do it there is because they were concerned if we wait until after Havdalah, then most people would already leave, and therefore they're not going to be there to experience the Pirsum Nis, the publicity of the Nis of the Nerot Chanukah. Plus, over here also, if we do Havdalah first, we're taking off the Kedusha of Shabbat. So we'd like to push off Havdalah in Bet HaKnesset as much as possible to stay in Shabbat. Because the one who's lighting Nerot Chanukah, that's only one person, but the rest of the Kahal stays in Shabbat, and therefore we'd rather, in Bet HaKnesset, light Nerot Chanukah first, and only then do Havdalah. At home, it's a little bit different. At home, everybody is lighting a fire for Havdalah. So everybody is getting out of Kedushat HaShabbat. And therefore, over there, we fall back on the regular rule of Tadir V'She'eno Tadir, Tadir Kodem. The more common of two mitzvot is performed first. And therefore, at home, as soon as we get home on Motzei Shabbat, we make first Havdalah. And after Havdalah, then we light Nerot Chanukah, the reverse of what we do in the Bet HaKnesset. Now, what's interesting is those who have the minhag throughout the year to wait for Motzei Shabbat, Kedat Rabbeinu Tam, which is a tremendously worthy chumrah, on Motzei Shabbat Chanukah, just in order to light earlier, to catch the half hour after Tzedek Kochavim Ledat Rambam, you should not sacrifice Motzei Shabbat Kedat Rabbeinu Tam for that. Maran Zichron Livracha was very, very vehement about that. Says Motzei Shabbat Kedat Rabbeinu Tam is more important. Okay, so you light later, even though it's a little bit later, but at the end of the day, if a person usually does Rabbeinu Tam, don't sacrifice that. If a person throughout the rest of the year does not usually keep Rabbeinu Tam, then Motzei Shabbat Chanukah, person should try to be mizdarez, to pray Arvit maybe a little bit earlier to get home within the half an hour since Tzedek Kochavim, to be able to light Bazman within the half an hour after Tzedek Kochavim, according to the Rambam. Just a reminder, like we said yesterday, it is preferable and customary to pray Mincha on Erev Shabbat Chanukah a little bit earlier, prior to lighting Nerot Chanukah this evening before Shabbat. So over here we'll be having two minyanim, one early minyan for Mincha at 2 p.m. right here, and the regular minyan for Mincha Kabbalat Shabbat and Arvit at 4:15. Shabbat Shalom Vorach and Chanukah Sameach.